Welcome to JH. I've been using EVELLYHOOTD for a bit now, and I'm genuinely impressed by how effortlessly it fits into my daily routine. It applies smoothly and naturally, leaving my skin looking refreshed and healthy without the usual irritation, because apparently, my face doesn't have to be a battlefield. It absorbs faster than a bad rumor and leaves no greasy residue, making it perfect for both morning and evening use. I also love the subtle hydration boost that actually lasts all day, rather than vanishing the moment I step outside. The versatility is another win. You can layer it with other products without worrying about them fighting each other on your skin. Finally, a product that doesn't hold a grudge against your moisturizer. It keeps the whole process simple and straightforward, which is great for those of us who find a 10-step routine more exhausting than a marathon. Over time, I've noticed a more even texture and a healthy glow that's noticeable, but doesn't look like I've been dipped in highlighter. It's become one of those rare products I actually look forward to using because it provides a sense of care and consistency that's actually achievable in real life.